In this video, we will show you how to make friend list is private on Facebook. In here, we will show you how to make our friend list is private on Android and also on Windows using desktop. Okay, in here, if you're using Facebook apps on your Android or on your smartphone, you can just go to your Facebook, then click this menu. After that, you can choose settings here. After you choose settings, just scroll down until you find how people find and contact you. There is menu on audience and visibility. Just click this. After that, you can see who can see your friend list. Just click this arrow. And in here, to make a private, you can just select on. So in this case, just only you can see your friend list. Then click save. If you are using a desktop or using Windows, this is how you can do that. First, open your Facebook on your desktop. For example, here I'm using Microsoft Edge, and then go to this tabs Friends. Okay, just click tab Friends here. Then on the tab Friends, you can see there is three dot icon here, and click this and choose Edit Privacy. You can see there is friend list. You can click this button and you can choose the same with similar on Android. You can select only me and click done. Then let's tutorial how make our friend list is private on Facebook. We can set only me, or if you want, you can just using specific friend. That's all. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.